Welcome back to another video. Today we have the M12 fuel driven to outperform Hackzall reciprocating saw kit 2520-21XC. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review of videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribes and likes. This is the kit according to what it says here. Specifications here: stroke length 5/8, SPM 0 to 3000. That's strokes per minute. LED light, yes. You got fuel gauge, yes. You got length, tool weight. So you got length is 13.25. You got tool weight is 4.1 pounds. Over four times more runtime. Up to 70% faster cutting, up to 6 times longer lifetime, power state brushless motor, Red Link Plus intelligent, lithium XC 4.0 battery pack. Then you got the list of tools. You got a 5-year warranty on the tool, 3-year warranty on the battery. As most Milwaukee tools, they do come with a really nice bag. M12 fuel, Milwaukee. Got some pockets on this side. Nice handles. That's the instruction manual. The recharger, the reciprocating saw. Probably one of the pieces there. It says enter to win, I guess. Something. A poster. Alright, we got the charger. This is the M12 charger. Input 120 volts, 60 hertz, 750 mAh. Output 12 volts, 3.0 amps. It's not the best charger because Milwaukee chargers, they usually come with the M18 and M12 combo. So I don't know why they should just provide both of them. You know, if somebody buys into this line, they already got the charger for the M18, so they should just buy another M18 tool. You know, they can just buy it. It says charging solid red. It says charged solid green. Temperature, waiting on temperature to drop or, you know, rise. You got blinking red. You got blinking red and green is the battery's damaged. All right, we got a 4 amp hour battery. These are my take on these is 4 amp hours and 6 amp hours are the best batteries you guys could ever get. You know, something like this in this format platform, because you're getting the most out of your Red Lithium XC 4.0. You got 12 volts for 48 watt hours. It's a nice rubber overmold at the bottom. All right, we got the tool itself. It's actually a pretty nice tool. I wanted one of these for the longest time ever. This is nice rubber overmold. All this black part is rubber. Red is plastic. We do have a lock and unlock. We do have a nice trigger. So, yep. So this is a trigger lock. You got fuel brushless on the back. Serial number there. You got 2520-20. So 0 to 3000 per minute SPM. Hackzall reciprocating saw, Milwaukee tool corp. Grab this and just twist it and put the blade on, and then they just release it. The shoe is not adjustable. A nice LED light there at the bottom. Hackzall on both sides. You got a nice fan there. You guys can see the fan. So this is the fuel gauge right here. So we'll put this in here. See. So according to this, it has 2 bars. 2 bars in there. 2 bars at this battery. So we'll go ahead and stick this on the charger and we'll take it outside. Alright, so we're going to get one of these axe blades, Milwaukee. We're just going to put it in here. You twist it, put your blade in. Make sure you guys twist it all the way. It's in. Alright, we got a piece of pipe. This thing's a beast. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. And 3 bars. This is a smaller battery. This is a 1.5 amp hour battery. So you're gonna get a lot more cuts with that 4 that this tool came with.